Come anytime you ask us, because we just love it. It doesn't have to be this way. Just count the hours, 'cause when your bed is made, remember it's too late. There's no hope for the hungry child whose joke is wild, and they take the hope away, and I just can't see no sense in my mind. And I just about had enough of the sunshine. Hey, what did I hear you say? You know it doesn't have to be that way. When you walk out the door, baby, you gotta ask for more. You gotta ask for more. It doesn't have to hurt that way. Just feeling the pain. You've only got yourself to blame. To play the game. Alright. There's no hope for the hungry child whose joke is wild. Will they take all hope away? And I just can't see no sense in my mind. And I just about had enough of the sunshine. Hey, what did I hear you say? You know it doesn't have to be that way. When you walk out the door, everybody gotta ask for more. From society, you think I did from me now. You want it. If you want it, I don't know about you, baby. And I just about had enough of the sunshine. Hey, what did I hear you say? Walk out the door, your head held high. You gotta ask some more. Baby, 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 yeah. What did I hear you say? You know it doesn't have to be that way. When you walk out the door, and my brother gotta ask some more, and more, and more. More and more and more and more. Come on. You know be that way. You walk out the door. Ask everybody. Ask your mother, your father, your politicians for more. And more. And more. And more. And more. Now listen up. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to put your hands together for Mr. Crispin Taylor, our drummer for the evening. I say, hey, what did I hear you say? I say, hey, what did I hear you say? Be this way, not be this way. What did I have to. It doesn't have to. It doesn't have to be this way.